Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So my name is Aditi and I'm really excited for today's video because today's video is going to be all about red lipsticks. I'm gonna tell you all my favorite top 10 red lipsticks that are like really easily available in India. And I wanted to confine this video to my top 5 red lipsticks, but then it was getting really difficult for me to pick and choose only 5 lipsticks. So I thought why not to show you all my top 10 red lipsticks and give you all more options. So these are the lipsticks that are like really easily available in India, and I'm gonna leave the link to all these lipsticks in the description box below, so please do not forget to check it out. And I have tried to include every kind of price range. I do not want to call it affordable red lipsticks video because affordable might differ from people to people. I might find 1,000 rupees lipstick affordable, but for you all, like if you're a school going girl or if you're college going girl, some of you might find it really expensive. So I have tried to include different price range so that each one of you find your type of red lipstick. So yes, if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to share with your friends. Please do not forget to give it a big thumbs up, and also please do not forget to subscribe to my channel because I'm going to do a lot of such videos wherein I'm going to talk about makeup and beauty products that are like really easily available in India. So yeah, that is it, and without wasting any more time, let's get into the video. So in no particular order, I'm going to start this video, and the first lipstick that I'm going to talk about is the one which I'm already wearing on my lips, and this one is Maybelline New York Lip Gradation by Color Sensational in shade Red One. And this is how it looks like. It comes in this pencil form, so it gets really easy to work with this lipstick, especially if you are one of those who have small lips or thin lips. It is going to be a blessing for you all because you do not need a separate lip liner. When your lipstick comes in a bullet form, I know it gets really difficult to line your lipstick or outline your lips with that and then to fill in your lips. But with this one, you are not going to face any such problem because this comes in this retractable pencil and this is really thin, so it is very easy for you to line your lips with this lipstick and also fill in your lips. The shade is really beautiful. It is a deep red color which has like blue undertones, and I see this shade working for a lot of skin tones, especially if you're of my shade or any darker or any fairer than me. Then also this shade is going to work for you because this is like a blue toned red color. The formula is really creamy. It literally glides on your lips. The opacity and pigmentation is really beautiful. In one swipe you get the proper color, the color which you have on your tube. The same color shows off on your lips. You do not have to literally rub your lipstick. So again, the opacity and pigmentation is beautiful, and this retails for 500 rupees in the Indian market, and I highly recommend this one. So the next color which I'm going to show you all, or the next lipstick which I'm going to show you all, is actually a liquid lipstick, and this one is Color Essence Intense Liquid Lipstick in shade Siren Red. And I was amazed when I got introduced to this liquid lipstick for the first time because I was like, what, liquid lipstick and only for 350 rupees? How is that possible? And yes, you all heard me right, this comes only for 350 rupees. And look at this shade. I mean, this shade is straight up true red color, in your face red color, and this is like that proper tomato red color which has no undertones of blues or oranges or pinks. And I would say the price is so affordable, and look at the tube. The tube itself is so cute, and again it is really sleek, so it is going to fit in your bag so well. Though you do not need touch up when it comes to this liquid lipstick because this liquid lipstick is going to last you forever. It does take a little time to settle down on your lips, but once it sets, it is going to last you forever, and it does transfer slightly, but for the price, I mean, I would not mind that. Also the color is really pretty. It is really opaque. You just need a very slight swipe of this liquid lipstick and you're good to go. And again, the wand of this liquid lipstick is very easy to work with. I have straight up used this wand to outline my lips and to fill in my lips with this wand only. I have not used any kind of lip liner. So yes, I really love this one. The shade is really pretty. It's gonna suit most of the Indian skin tones. Even if you are a dark or a deeper skin tone than mine, it is gonna look really beautiful on you. And yes, I highly recommend this one. So I just got my Swarovski studs on because I was just feeling that my face is looking really incomplete. So anyway, let's talk about this next lipstick that I have on my lips already, and this one is Lakme Absolute Lip Pout Matte in shade Ruby Red, and this is how it looks like. And this is again a crayon form, and it is a retractable crayon, so you just have to rotate it from here and the product comes out. And this has a pointy nib, so again it is really easy for you to outline your lips and to fill in your lips with this lipstick. And the shade is really wearable. I mean, if you're one of those who are really scared of trying red lipstick because for you it is something too bright or too peppy, so I would suggest that you may go for something like this, because this is a wearable red. This is not something in your face red color. And the formula wise, I would say that this is one of the best formula that is available in Indian market, because the formula is really creamy, the formula is really pigmented, the formula feels so comfortable on your lips. And this is, formula wise, this is one of the best lipstick that is available in Indian market. And also this is what I have in my makeup stash. So again, it is really easy to work with, and this retails for wait, I have my little notepad here. So this retails for 50 rupees, and yeah, according to the price, I would say that this is really a good lipstick. And yes, surely you can give it a try. And oh my god, I'm so excited for this next lipstick, and this is what I have on my lips. Isn't it gorgeous? I mean, this is my ultimate favorite from the entire bunch. I mean, I'm gonna say favorite for all of the lipsticks, but this one is like really close to my heart because I love this one. And this one is Faces Ultime Pro Matte Lip Crayon in shade Midnight Rose. And this is how it looks like. It is gorgeous shade. It is a deep red color. It is a deep wine kind of color which has undertones of brown and purple. I don't know, it is a very different red color. I mean, I have tons of red lipsticks, but I do not have anything like this. So that is why I said that this one is really close to my heart. And I have also used this lipstick in one of my video, I believe in my cocktail Get Ready With Me. So I'm gonna leave the link to that video in the description box below, just in case if you wanna see it in action, like how this lipstick looks. And I get tons of compliments whenever I wear this lipstick. This is such a beautiful shade. The formula is also really creamy, it just glides on your lips. It is highly pigmented. The only downside of this this lipstick crayon, I would say, is you have to sharpen it up, so you end up wasting a lot of product. But for the shade, I forget everything because I adore this shade. I love this shade. This is my favorite. This is my ultimate favorite. So this is Faces Ultime Pro Matte Lip Crayon in shade Midnight Rose. I think I already told you guys that. And this retails for 750 rupees. And this is a kind of red lipstick that is so perfect for this time of the year, like during this fall and winter. I love to go for deep wine shades, and this is definitely one of those. Though I wear this shade all year round, but during summer, during winters and fall, I reach for this shade the most. So yes, this is Faces Ultime Pro Lip Crayon in shade Midnight Rose. So now let's talk about the next lipstick that I have on my lips, and this one is NYX High Voltage Lipstick in shade Hollywood. And this is how it looks like, and this shade is so beautiful. It is again a straight up true red color, and this shade reminds me of holiday and fun and all that good stuff in your life, because the shade is so pretty and it is so much fun. But again, this is all again a very wearable red color. This is not something straight up red color, and this color is gonna look good on so many different skin tones. The formula is really comfortable. This is not a straight up matte lipstick. I know that matte lipsticks are everywhere, but there are a lot of people who are still not on board with matte lipstick trend, because it makes your lips feel very dry and very patchy and very chapped. So I would suggest that you should try something like this. It is gonna give you a velvety satiny finish on your lips. So obviously it's not gonna make your lips feel very dry. And yes, this retails for around 750 rupees, and NYX has finally come to India, and I'm so excited and I'm so happy that brands like NYX and other international brands are coming to India. And yes, this is how NYX High Voltage Lipstick in shade Hollywood looks like, and I love this one. So this next lipstick is again an ultimate favorite of mine, and this one is from L'Oreal, and this is L'Oreal Star Collection in shade Pure Garnet, and this is the shade which is created by Sonam Kapoor, and I absolutely love this shade. This shade is so stunning. This is a deep red color that has undertones of purples and berries. I mean, this shade itself is so unique. This one and the one from Faces, I mean, I think that these two are the most unique red shades that we have in India. And again, formula wise, formula is a winner. I mean, it glides on your lips, it is highly pigmented, it is really creamy, the texture is so velvety, the texture is so beautiful. And this is a kind of red lipstick that you can easily wear at night times during summers and in daytimes during winter. So all in all, it is an all-round all-year lipstick, and I really love this one. And yes, this retails for around 995 rupees, and packaging is so classy. It comes in this black bullet, and this has a shade of the actual shade of lipstick which you have inside the bullet over here. So if you have like a number of these lipsticks, it is not that difficult for you to pick or choose the one which you want to wear. And yes, I literally love this shade. This is the kind of shade which will, even if you have no makeup on, you just have to put on a good glowy base, a lot of mascara, and you just pop on this lipstick, and it will look like as if you have really worked on so much on your face. So yes, I highly recommend this one, and I love this one. So let's talk about this next lipstick, and this one is from NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream, and this is shade Monte Carlo. And I had to include this shade because the formula itself is a winner. The formula is so moussey, but then the texture is so velvety, it glides on so easily on your lips. And look at this shade. I mean, the shade is so pretty, this is so beautiful. Again, the shade is going to look good on so many different skin tones. If you are a makeup junkie, or if you are a makeup lover like me, then you must be knowing about this product, because this product is like really beautiful. It is so comfortable. Not only this shade I'm talking about, the entire range from NYX is amazing, and this retails for around 600 rupees, and this is a bold red color. This is a kind of red color which has blue undertones, but again, I see this color working for so many different skin tones. And again, this is a kind of red color which is a must-have during this time of the year. I mean, I'm a kind of girl who leaves fun and peppy and bright red colors for summers, and during this time of the year I reach for my bolder and my deeper red colors more. So this is again one of those. I would be wearing it a lot during my fall and winter time. And the formula is so creamy, it is so comfortable on your lips. It leaves a very silky, smooth, velvety finish on your lips. And yes, again, I love it, and this is like something which is easily available in India now. So let's move on to next product, and the next product that I'm going to show you all is actually a little bit of cheat, because it's not a lipstick, it is a lip definer, it is a lip pencil, and this one is from Calabar. This is how it looks like, and this is from Calabar, and the shade is 001 Clear Red. And actually, I have raved so much about Calabar lip liners on my channel because I simply love them. They are so pigmented, they are so true to the color, the intensity is so well, they glides on your lips so well, they're so comfortable on your lips, and they're gonna make your lipstick last you forever. I mean, this gives such a good base to your lipsticks. And this shade in particular is called Clear Red, as I told you already. And this shade in particular itself is so pretty. Whenever I put this shade on, I really not feel the need to put any lipstick over this, because I find it so pretty. It is like a beautiful red color that is again gonna suit Indian skin tone so well. So yes, if you are in hunt of good lip liners, I would highly suggest, I would highly recommend that you should go and check Calabar lip definers. And these lip definers retails for around 599, around 600 rupees. And the best thing is that these are the sharp, I mean, you have to sharpen these lip liners, so it comes with a sharpener at one end, so you really do not have to hunt for your sharpener whenever you just want to have that pointy nib for your lip pencil. I just kind of smashed it. So this is how it looks like, and yeah, it is really beautiful, and I highly recommend this one. So let's move on to next product, and this one is from LA Girl. This is LA Girl Matte Flat Finish Pigment Gloss in shade Frisky, and this is how it looks like. And it says matte flat finish pigment gloss that gives a matte finish, so that means it's a liquid lipstick, and the shade itself is so pretty. It is a deep red color, so again the shade is going to suit a lot of Indian skin tones. And this is one formula, I would say this is one formula which is absolutely smudge free. This doesn't transfer at all. Whenever I wear this lipstick or the liquid lipstick at my workplace, I have my tea, coffee, whatever, and it doesn't transfer at all. And I have people coming to me and asking me, hello, what are you wearing on your lips? And this is what I have on my lips most of the times. So it doesn't transfer, it is smudge free. Wait, see this, no transfer at all. Do you believe that? See, not only this shade I'm talking about, I also have a lot of different shades. Also a nude shade which is called Flare, that is also a beautiful shade from this range, and that doesn't transfer. So this lipstick is going to last you forever. I have worn this liquid lipstick for good 12 to 15 hours and it has not moved, and I kid you not, it has not moved at all. So this is what I really love about this one, other than the shade. The shade also is very pretty, but again this makes it very difficult to remove this lipstick. And also if you have dry lips or chapped lips, it's gonna settle in your fine lines. So always make sure, I would highly suggest that you should always use a good scrub or a good lip balm and everything before you go ahead and use your liquid lipsticks. Not only liquid lipsticks, any kind of lipstick in the world is gonna look really beautiful on the lips that are like really plump, hydrated and well taken care of. So always make sure that you use a good scrub. Having a good scrub or a lip scrub, you simply use a baby toothbrush, just rub it on your lips, remove all kind of dead skin, then put a lip balm, do your makeup, let that lip balm seeps, just remove that lip balm and then go ahead and use liquid lipstick or any kind of lipstick, and it is gonna make a world of a difference. So this is another favorite of mine. So last but not the least, I'm gonna talk about the product that is like a universally flattering shade, and we all, most of you must be knowing about this shade already, because I'm gonna speak about MAC Ruby Woo, and this is what I have on my lips. And this is such a classic red color. This is a blue tone red lipstick that is gonna suit so many skin tones. I'm not talking only about the Indian skin tones, but also if you have a porcelain skin, a brown skin, if you're fair, if you're medium skin tone, any kind of skin tone. I haven't seen a single person who looks gross in this lipstick, because this is so pretty, this is so beautiful, and it is a must have. The matte retro matte collection, the entire range is so beautiful. I love almost all the shades from this range, but this is again very close to my heart. This is so beautiful. This is a classic red color, and formula is little drying, I would say, but then that is what makes this lipstick last you forever. And I have worn this lipstick for good 15 hours. And yeah, you must be thinking that why do you have to wear makeup for 15 hours, but I am in kind of job where I end up wearing makeup for good 12 to 15 hours, and it has lasted me for 15 hours. It leaves such a strong pigment on your lips. So it is such a classic, universally flattering shade. I would not say that it flatters only Indian skin tones, but it flatters universally. This is what makes it really long lasting. And this one is MAC Ruby Woo, and this retails for 1,445 rupees. So guys, this brings us to an end of this video, and I really hope that you enjoyed this video. My lips have actually gone through a lot today, because most of the shades which I've shown you today are matte ones, and it was getting so difficult for me to remove each and every matte shade and to put on the next one. But anyway, I really enjoyed filming this video for you all, and I really hope that you all found this video helpful. You found that perfect red one red lipstick for you all that is gonna suit your budget, gonna suit your complexion, gonna suit your skin tone. And yes, that is it, and I would see you all in my next video. Till then, bye bye.